The Prime Minister will discuss, meanwhile, the COVID situation with Northeast Chief Ministers tomorrow. Currently, 58 districts in India have a positivity rate over 10%. 37 of these districts are in the Northeast. The Indian Medical Association says a third wave is imminent. In Hyderabad, about 30,000 people participated in Bonalu festivities. Among those unmasked were ministers.
The COVID crisis in the Northeast is worrying. Two-thirds of the country's 58 districts with over 10% positivity rate are here. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister will meet all the chief ministers of the region. But signs of negligence seen elsewhere. About 30,000 people participated in the Bonalu festivities in Hyderabad. Among those unmasked were ministers.
The ministers themselves can be seen without masks. There is no social distancing, and ironically the Hyderabad Police Commissioner also in fact sharing the dais in the event, and he is the only one in fact who is seen wearing the mask.
Ironically, this festival had started as a thanksgiving to the goddess for stopping the plague in Hyderabad and Sikandrabad during the 19th century. But now, despite the COVID pandemic, no social distancing rules were followed here. Another festival, the Puri Jagannath Rath Yatra in Odisha, also began today for the second consecutive year without pilgrims. Yet there were crowds and few COVID precautions in sight. Such scenes and the fears of Kavod Yatra to Haridwar being allowed compelled India's top doctors' body, the Indian Medical Association, to urge state governments to stop mass gatherings in light of an imminent third wave.
We appeal to the government and appeal to all the public. Let us not take any chance and let up our guard and do any mass gathering in any name of whether tourist spot visit, pilgrimage visit, or the rituals of the religious rituals.
The lax behavior is worrisome because despite the decline in India's cases, India's R factor, which reflects the speed at which the infections are spreading, has been increasing. India's R factor has increased from 0.87 a week ago to 0.95 today.
Overall, if we see the situation, R0 of the country has gone from 0.87 to 0.95. That means we need to be worried about in terms of, the gains which we had gained so far in terms of number of cases coming down. We need to see where we are at fault. That means whether we have opened up in a hurry, whether the people's behavior is irresponsible.
So far, only 8% of India's population has been fully vaccinated, and in such a scenario where majority of our population is still vulnerable to the infection, both the public as well as the government will have to take every possible precaution to ensure that fears of a third wave do not turn into reality. With Oma Sudhir in Hyderabad and camera person Mursalin Mohammed in New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.